In the previous video, we saw about the organochlorine insecticides. Now in this video, we will be studying about organophosphate insecticides and carbamate insecticides. Organophosphate insecticides are most commonly used as insecticides. Organochlorine insecticides have largely been replaced by organophosphate compounds as they are less persistent in the environment. Commonly used organophosphates are diazion, chlorpyrifos and dimethionate. Others include parathion, malathion and methylparathion. Organophosphates are a group of chemicals that have many domestic and industrial uses. The primary mechanism of action of organophosphate insecticides is inhibition of the enzyme acetylcholine esterase that cause neurological dysfunction. Function of acetylcholine esterase. Acetylcholine esterase is an enzyme that degrades the neurotransmitter acetylcholine into choline and acetic acid. If acetylcholine esterase has been inactivated due to organophosphate insecticides, then acetylcholine accumulates and consequently increase at the neuromuscular junction. This in turn excites muscle fibers and produce repetitive muscle contraction that cause tremors in the body muscle of the insect, and the insect finally dies of exhaustion. They are also hazardous to humans. Organophosphate toxicity. Organophosphates can be absorbed cutaneously, ingested, inhaled or injected. The onset and severity of symptoms depend on the specific compound, amount, route of exposure and rate of metabolic degradation. Symptoms of acute exposure include nausea, headaches, twitching and trembling, excessive salivation and tearing, inability to breathe because of paralysis of the diaphragm, convulsions, and at higher doses, death. Longer term, lower dose exposure to organophosphate insecticides is linked to a number of health problems. First being developmental effect. Organophosphates interfere with healthy neurodevelopment, leading to behavioral problems and lower cognitive function. Children exposed to organophosphates are more likely to meet the diagnostic criteria for ADHD. Second one, reproductive effects. As endocrine disruptors, organophosphates have a significant impact on the human reproductive system. The presence of organophosphate metabolites in the body is associated with reduced level of testosterone and many other sex hormones. Exposure to organophosphate insecticides may have an adverse effect on male fertility. Third one, cancer. Organophosphates may be a probable human carcinogen. Last one, Parkinson's disease. Living near applications of diazion or dimethionate has been found to increase the risk of Parkinson's disease. Now let's see about carbamate insecticides. A carbamate are chemical compound derived from carbamic acid. The most widely applied carbamate insecticide is carbaryl, which is especially utilized for lawns and gardens. Other examples are aldicarb and carbofuran. Like the organophosphate, the mode of action of the organocarbamates is inhibition of acetylcholine esterase. But carbamate inhibition of acetylcholine esterase is a reversible process. Estimate of the recovery time in humans range from immediate up to 4 days, depending on the dose, the specific pesticide, and the method of exposure. The signs and symptoms of poisoning, which are the same as those for organophosphate insecticides, but poisoning is less severe and the effects do not last long. Symptoms of acute poisoning are typically cholinergic, lacrimation means shedding tears, miosis means reflex contraction of the sphincter muscle of the iris in response to certain drugs, causing the pupil to become smaller, convolutions, and death. The associated symptoms mimic the muscular, nicotinic, and central nervous system actions of acetylcholine, and the severity of the effect is dose dependent. Summary: organophosphate insecticides. Organophosphate insecticides have replaced organochlorine as they are less persistent in the environment. Mode of action: blocks the enzyme acetylcholine esterase. Route of exposure: cutaneous, ingested, inhaled, or injected. Carbamate insecticides. Carbamates are derivatives of carbamic acids. Mode of action: similar to organophosphates, inhibition of acetylcholine esterase, but is a reversible process. The signs and symptoms of poisoning are the same as those for the organophosphate insecticides, but poisoning is less severe and the effects do not last long.